The fuselage is the main structure or body of the fixed-wing aircraft. It provides space for cargo, controls, accessories, passengers, and other equipment. In single-engine aircraft, the fuselage houses the power plant. In multi-engine aircraft, the engines may be either in the fuselage, attached to the fuselage, or suspended from the wing structure. There are two general types of fuselage construction: truss and monocoque. A truss is a rigid framework made up of members, such as beams, struts, and bars, to resist deformation by applied loads. The truss-framed fuselage is generally covered with fabric. The truss-type fuselage frame is usually constructed of steel tubing welded together in such a manner that all members of the truss can carry both tension and compression loads. In some aircraft, principally the light, single-engine models, truss fuselage frames may be constructed of aluminum alloy and may be riveted or bolted into one piece, with cross-bracing achieved by using solid rods or tubes. The monocoque, or single-shell fuselage, relies largely on the strength of the skin or covering to carry the primary loads. The design is called stressed skin and may be divided into two classes: monocoque and semi-monocoque. Different portions of the same fuselage may belong to either of the two classes, but most modern aircraft are considered to be of semi-monocoque type construction. The true monocoque construction uses formers, frame assemblies, and bulkheads to give shape to the fuselage. The heaviest of these structural members, bulkheads, are partition-type walls that typically span the entire fuselage diameter, often with an opening for access through the partition. They are located at intervals to carry concentrated loads and at points where fittings are used to attach other units such as wings, power plants, and stabilizers. Since no other bracing members are present, the skin must carry the primary stresses and keep the fuselage rigid. Thus, the biggest problem involved in monocoque construction is maintaining enough strength while keeping the weight within allowable limits.